Welcome back to the channel. Today episode is I'm gonna show you guys how to replace the fuel injector on 2017 or up to 2020, 22 CRV. Basically, the car came in for misfiring, and we did a cylinder AF test, and it failed. All cylinder was running rich, which is a lot of fuel inside the car. And so after that test failed, it's recommend replace fuel injector. So today I'm going to show you guys how to replace it. So injector on this car is actually sit underneath this intake manifold. So this manifold got to come out. This box that come out, it's pretty easy. It's only like two holes right here and a couple 10mm bolt. I recommend take out a battery, which is it's easier when you exit to the taking out that intake, the hose right here going into the throttle body, so yeah, I'm gonna take out this battery first, remove this manifold, and then take out this hose right here, down here. It's only like two 8mm, like a clamps, and then we go from there. All right, watch, follow me. Okay, so basically I took out a battery, and the battery case, the bottom is only like 5 bolts. This is the case, 5 bolt, one right here, 2, 4 on the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the top one right here. This thing right here, and the top box, took it out. Couple holes in the back. To take out this manifold is pretty simple. I'm gonna disconnect like the fuel line right here, and it's three bolt and like 2 nuts holding on to it. There's one right here, you can see right here, and 2 on the side and 2 on the bottom. And then I would take this little foam thing right here coming out, disconnect couple both of these hoses. It's coming out with the manifold, and disconnect this hose right here, and disconnect this connector. It's clip on right here. Just disconnect it from right here. And now I'm gonna take it out this hose right here. Let's go into the throttle body. It's 2.8 from one right here, and the other one is down here. After that, you should be able to take out the tube right here. And the throttle body, it's only for 10mm bolt. It's actually one right here, and the other one is sitting one on the bottom, 2 on the side underneath this harness. Right there, you can see that one right there, and one on the bottom. So yeah, let me put it down and then go from there. Yeah, okay, just like that. The throttle body, I just leave it like that, and the manifold is, it's only like I say, it's only 3 bolt and 2 nuts. It's a stud right here. That's where the manifold, both sides. One right here and 2 on the bottom. So that's the fuel rail right here, and this is the feed pipe. It's going in there, and so basically take this bracket. It's the 210, one right here and one on the top. And don't forget disconnect the connector on the injector. And after taking like all the bolt and the nuts out, you should be able to pry it out with the pry bar or any pry tool or flathead, whatever. And then you can make sure disconnect this line too. It's a 19 wrench. Loosen this, leave it hang. Then let's see. All right, follow me. Fuel rail is out, and check the still sitting right there. So use a plier go side to side, they should come up. Like that, all 4 injectors. Now, let's prepare for the new one. Yeah, the reason why we're replacing this injector right here, carbon build up right here, it's pretty bad, it's pretty black. All 4 of them, they are really black, cause misfire. Pretty bad. You see it, all the black stuff around there. It's common on these kind of cars with the newer turbo direct injection. Okay, let me prepare for the new one. There's the new injector, like you see it. This one is brand new, it's really clean. See it? All 4 of them is new. Alright, that's it now. It's time to put it back to the car. But yeah, it's the same way that you remove, just put it back as, you know, whatever you remove, just put it back, you know. Alright, let me finish this and then I'm gonna time lap and then go from there. I'll let you guys know when it's finished and then when we start up or not. Okay. Alright, it's all set. Everything is put back, battery, manifold, everything. Now it's time to see if it start right up, you know. After you replace this, it takes like a couple turn, you know, to turn over to prime the fuel. So let's see if it starts. I start right up. It take a couple turns to turn it over, but yeah, turning over and we start. And there's also, don't forget to clear these lights. Every time the battery die, these lights gonna come on, so make sure you hook it up to this computer and then reset all the light, like do all sensor calibration. And yeah, that's it for today's episode. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and I will get more video coming. Okay, thank you.